manahimik nawa ang kanyang kaluluwa. Wala pong kasalanan si Carolina Astor sa mata ng Diyos at sa batas. Kaya dapat po siyang palayain.
No! Video lang yan! It can be fake! Inayos lang yan to fool us!
Order in the court!
But it will never change the fact that Carolina Astor is a murderer! Pinatay niya si Joy! Pinatay niya! Bawiin mo yung sinabi mo! You're a priest! You should always speak the truth! Huwag ka magsisinungaling sa harap ng batas at sa harap ng Diyos!
I said order in the court!
Inuulit ko po, wala pong kasalanan si Carolina Astor sa mata ng Diyos at sa batas.
Sinungaling ka! Come on, guys! Advance na ng technology ngayon. Pwede na mag-fabricate ng evidence. What if AI lang yan?
Ronnie, calm down.
Counsel, I don't care whether that individual is a relative or a friend of the client. She is your responsibility.
Judge, huwag kayo maniniwala sa babaeng to. Manloloko yan. She's a gaslighter, a master manipulator.
Ronnie, stop
I
this.
will no longer tolerate any further outburst in this courtroom.
Stop!
Akala mo ba tapos na to? Ha? This is far from over. Hindi pa tapos ang laban hanggat hindi ka nakukulong, and we'll make sure that you'll rot not just in jail, but also in hell!
Tama na!